All right, let's jump right in. You've probably heard the term generative AI thrown around a lot, right? But it's so much more than just a buzzword. It's a tool that's completely changing how businesses operate. Today, we're going to break down the 3 core advantages that make it so powerful, focusing on how it delivers real, practical value.
So let's get to the bottom line. How does all this cool, impressive technology actually, make a real difference for a business? It's not just about the fancy tech. It's about driving actual, measurable results.
Well, it really all boils down to 3 main things. And once you get these 3, adaptability, responsiveness, and simplicity, everything else just clicks into place. You'll see exactly how and where generative AI can have the biggest impact.
Okay, so first up, adaptability. And honestly, this might be its biggest superpower. Think of it like the ultimate Swiss Army knife for technology.
So what do we really mean by adaptability? Well, imagine this. Instead of needing a whole toolbox with a different tool for every single job, you've got one amazing all-in-one engine that can pivot and handle a huge range of tasks without needing a total overhaul each time.
For example, the very same AI model could be tasked with drafting a marketing email. Then, boom, it can immediately turn around and create a custom image to go with that email. And after that, it can translate the whole package into multiple languages, all from the same core system.
And that is where the light bulb goes on for businesses. Instead of buying and trying to maintain separate, specialized software for marketing, for design, and for translation, you can leverage a single AI system across all of them. That consolidation is a massive win for efficiency and your return on investment.
Now, building on that versatility is our second advantage: responsiveness. If adaptability is all about what the AI can do, responsiveness is all about how fast it gets it done.
And when we say responsive, we mean real time, like right now. Forget about waiting hours or even days for a report or a new design. We're talking about generating solutions almost instantaneously at the very moment you need them.
You can really see the difference when you look at the before and after, right? We're moving away from the old way. Slow, manual processes and long waits for feedback. With GenAI, you get real-time chat support that solves customer problems on the spot, or you can generate design mockups in seconds. It's a total game changer.
And look, this speed isn't just a nice to have. In some industries, it's absolutely crucial. For an e-commerce site, a fast answer to a product question can be the difference between making a sale and an abandoned cart. In customer service, response time is everything. In these worlds, being responsive is non-negotiable.
Okay, on to our third and final advantage. And this one might actually surprise you. It's simplicity.
I know, that sounds kind of crazy, right? How can this super advanced, complex AI be simple? But it's true. The reality is, these models have become so much easier to implement.
So how is that even possible? Well, we can thank the huge leaps we've seen in development frameworks and powerful cloud platforms. Services from providers like AWS have created a foundation that does all the heavy lifting for you, hiding away most of the deep technical challenges.
And the direct result of that is huge. This simplicity means the barrier to entry has just plummeted. You no longer need a massive team of PhDs to build something amazing and valuable with AI.
This is what we call the democratization of technology, and it's happening right now. Generative AI is not just a tool for the tech giants anymore. We're seeing it become accessible for businesses of all sizes, from tiny startups to huge corporations. It's really leveling the playing field.
So, when you put it all together, you combine that adaptability with responsiveness and top it off with simplicity. What you get is a powerful new AI toolkit for building the future.
So let's recap real quick. We have adaptability, your versatile Swiss Army knife for countless tasks. Then there's responsiveness, delivering those instant, real-time solutions. And finally, simplicity, making it all accessible enough to actually implement. Each one is a big deal on its own, but together, that's a compelling case for adoption.
And remember, knowing these core advantages isn't just some theoretical exercise. This is the practical key. It's what allows you to pinpoint exactly where and how you can use AI to solve your most pressing, real-world business problems effectively.
Which brings us to our final and maybe most important question. We've covered the what and the why. We've seen the power and the potential. The only piece missing from the puzzle is you. So now you know the advantages. The real question is, what will you build?